of you search on YouTube and you are like, okay, I just need to find an easy basic eye that I can do quickly, that I can feel confident in, and that I can wear wherever, okay? And then you get on YouTube and you search like eye makeup, and like this pops up, or this pops up, or this pops up, and you're like, no, 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 that's not what I want, okay? So today I am showing you how to do an easy basic eye. I have only used 3 colors and it is super, super simple. So I really hope you like this video. If you do, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. Show me some love and let's get started. An eye look, I always want to start with eye primer. I never used to be a fan of eye primer. Like, I just didn't think it was worth it. I figured it was just a waste of money until Younique came out with their new eye primer. Holy crap, ladies, this is like freaking super glue for eyeshadow, okay? If you have oily eyelids, if you are super emotional and cry a lot, whatever the case may be, this eye primer is gonna be your life. I'm not even joking. Like, it stays forever. All right, so after I put on the eye primer, I like to just grab kind of just a basic neutral color. I'm going right in with, this is the color Discreet from Younique and their pressed shadows. And I just put a light layer right over top of the primer that I just put on, only because I just think the colors will blend a little better with it. Some women go right on top of the primer with their first shade, and that's great. Those women have some balls. I don't, and I put a little bit of powder over top. For an everyday basic eye, I really do about 3 colors, okay? I do a transition color, I do a outer corner color, and I do a lid color. I keep it pretty simple. I really just want to be able to get done quick, look like I have my stuff together, and get out the door, okay? So my first is gonna be the transition color. I just wanna take a fluffy blending brush. I like to go in with a little bit of an orange color for my transition. I think orange transitions make other colors just pop and look beautiful. If that scares you, you can definitely go in with just kind of a matte tan for your transition. But I love this one. This one is Witty by Younique, and I just love it for a transition. I just think it's gorgeous. So I just lightly hold the brush, okay? I start on the outer corner and I just really work that in the crease. You will notice that I do a lot of my eye makeup with my eyes open, not closed, with the eye I'm working on open. And that's because I like to see where the colors are gonna fall when my eyes are open, because clearly we don't walk around all day with our eye closed, right? This is really a problem for women with hooded eyes, because you'll get a really pretty look and then when you open your eyes, it disappears, right? Well, if you start doing it with your eye open, then you will see how high you need to go in order for your makeup to show up when you're done and walking around. This also helps you figure out where your crease is, because your transition color is gonna be on your crease and above. Okay, so your crease is gonna be where you start to see your eye go back into the eye socket. Okay, so just really blend that in, get it nice and pretty and blend it out. So now I'm gonna take just a little bit smaller of a brush, and I'm gonna go in with just kind of this darker brown, and we are just going to kind of darken up our crease just a tad and smoke out the outer corner just a little bit. Again, this is gonna be kind of an everyday look, so it's not gonna be insanely bold, okay? It's not gonna be like in your face. It is just going to be a nice, soft look. This color is Gingerly, by the way. So I'm not gripping the brush very hard. I grip it towards the end of the brush just because it helps keep your touch light. If you grip it up here, you're really gonna push too hard and it's not gonna blend as well. So I like to grip my brushes farther down on the handle, and then I just lightly start going back and forth. That added just a little bit of dimension there. It just kind of helped my crease pop out a little more and made my eyes look a little bit bigger. Now the final step, I'm telling you ladies, this is the easiest look I'll probably ever do in my life. The final step is we are going to take a flat brush and we are just gonna go in with kind of a nice soft shimmery shade for our lid. That was a tough one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with Antsy here, and it is just a really pretty kind of champagne shimmer. And we are just literally going to pop that right there on the lid. Super pretty, right? Very soft, very delicate, nothing too crazy. Be able to wear this to work, be able to wear it to the grocery store, although when I go to the grocery store, I'm like full cut crease, but you know, not everybody is like that. So literally just pop that on. Look how pretty and easy that is. Okay, let's add some liner and call it a day. Since this is an everyday look, we want it to be easy and simple, so we are going in with just a pencil liner. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure we stay super close to our lash line. I like to just kind of rub it back and forth. I'm barely touching my eyelid. Now, when you are doing a basic eyeliner look, sorry, you don't want to end going down, okay? When you get to here, we're not doing a wing, but you still want to just kind of flick it up. All right, that's just gonna help open up your eyes a little bit. Okay, if you end it going down, what it's gonna do is it's gonna make your eyes droop a little bit, and we don't want that, okay? Nature does that for us with gravity, so we need to fight back with some makeup, okay? So we just wanna flick it up. You don't have to do a wing, just make sure you flick it up. Now, I bring some down here on my waterline. If you have smaller eyes, you can use a nude color on your waterline or a white, and that will help open up your eyes more. I just really like to tightline with whatever color I'm using. I think it just really helps my blues pop a little bit. Now, if you struggle with your liner on the bottom of your eyes, kind of running throughout the day, if you have really watery eyes or whatever, all you have to do is take a small, soft, like pencil brush, grab the color. So this is like a dark brown. So I'm just gonna grab dark brown in that powder, and I'm literally gonna put it right over top of the pencil. Okay, remember, any powder sets a liquid or a cream or a pencil. So if you want something to set, put a powder over top. It's not the most comfortable thing to do, but it'll keep it there and keep it in place. Now we are gonna pop on some mascara, and that is literally our easy, basic, everyday eye look. Super simple, ladies. I like making makeup applications simple for women. I want women to feel comfortable and confident in the looks that they do. So I want you guys to see how easy it can be. If you want to see how to create these brows that I got going on my face, make sure you watch the video I will link below, and that'll just teach you how to get the perfect brow shape for your face shape. Brows are not a one size fits all.